Hi viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Love, what are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So my people, today I have come to share with you a very good, interesting topic. So I want you to sit back, relax, and make sure that you watch this video to hear what I am going to say. Now, a lot of people find it difficult to do a spiritual consultation about what is happening in their life or what is going to happen in their life in the future, or maybe they want to know what has happened in the history of their lineage. And when you are doing consultation and you ask a spiritualist to consult down till your lineage to know what happened or what makes you to be in that condition that you never wished yourself, it is a very difficult task for that spiritualist to perform, because it's not always easy to do such consultation, and such consultation takes time and also takes patience for that spiritualist to go deep to know what has happened in the past regarding your lineage. All right, so I am here to tell you how you can make use of one or two things for you to get this knowledge, for you to know what has happened in your lineage that made you to be in that condition, or what future holds for you, or what is actually happening around you currently, presently, as I'm talking to you now. If you want to embark on that, there's some ingredient that you must need to. You don't need to skip anyone. You don't need to say, what if I don't have, is there any alternative? There is nothing like alternative. If you really want a good result in this, you must have to get a complete ingredient for you to be able to get a good result that you wish. But before I go into that teaching, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. You guys are the real guys. I really love you. I love you all for always coming back to support me. Okay, God knows that. May God Almighty bless you. Please, if you know that you don't get notification of my videos, maybe you have subscribed but you don't get notification, please kindly turn that notification bell on, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will get notification. And to my newest subscribers in the building, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for choosing to watch us. May God Almighty bless you. Please, after watching this video, make sure that you like this video. All right, subscribe, and also turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will get notification. All right, as you do so, may God Almighty bless you. Now back to the topic. If you want to really know what has happened in your life in the past that made you to be in this current situation or condition that you never pray for, you never wish yourself, or you want to know the details about your lineage, how your forefathers, what they did in the past that is affecting you, whether it's affecting you directly or indirectly, it's affecting your children, you want to know that, and you have done all the spiritual consultation, yet nobody is telling you the real thing that you're supposed to know about your life or your future or what has happened before. This is what you need to do. Number one ingredient in our list today is going to be what? It be our what? Bitter kola. Now you need a fresh bitter kola. What did I say? You need a fresh bitter kola. That is number one. Then number two, you need your alligator pepper. You need this local alligator pepper. Okay, that is number two ingredient. Number third ingredient, you need this leaf. This is the leaf I'm talking about. You need this leaf. Do you know what this leaf is called? It is called ewe akoko in Yoruba, and in Igbo it is called what? Ogirishi leaf. All right, ogirishi leaf. Okay, so now listen very well, because all this thing has procedure. So the last ingredient in our list is going to be our what? White thread. You need a white thread. So how will you make use of all these things? Now listen very well. When you go to the ogirishi plant or the tree, now say what you want to use the leaf to do while standing at the tree. And after making that, after making your wish known to the tree, now drop a coin. Drop a coin. If you don't have a coin, you can drop cowrie there. There's nothing wrong in doing that. You must give something for you to be able to get something in return in a good way. So after you have done that, now look for a particular branch of the ogrishi leaf that has 7 leaves together on it. Now plug the 7 leaves, and then go back to your house. When you are going to your house, while you have plugged this, please do not look back. You have to follow this instruction carefully if you really want to know what has happened in your lineage, or what the future holds for you, or what is currently happening in your life that you want to know. You're anxious of knowing, but you have done so many spiritual consultations, visited so many spiritualists, and no one is giving you like complete detail. And to say, and when you get to say, or we in your life, you understand what I'm talking about. So now, after you must have plugged this, go straight to your house. Do not branch anywhere. Do not look at the back. Go straight to your house. What will you do next? Now get me this bitter kola 7. Get the alligator that I just showed you earlier on. Now begin to set this ogrishi leaf. Set it one after the other, each like this. Okay, now after setting this, guys, use that your bitter kola to put it like, we put it line by line, 1 2 3 4 up to 7. Like, you arrange it very well. Okay, you arrange the bitter kola very well. Now don't fold it yet. Get me your alligator, open it from the back, and then select 7. Also arrange this the same way you arrange the bitter kola inside this leaf. Okay, now after you have done that, now begin to say your wish, what you want. If you want to know details about your great-grandfather, how he lived his life, or what happened, or what makes you people to be in this particular condition that you never wished, this condition that seems like there is no situation, now this particular recipe is going to also give you solution on what to do. So it is not, do not take this video for granted. Do not, because I'm teaching you, do not take it for granted. I'm doing it for free, and I'm uploading this video for free. I know how much I spent in upload video in a day these days. It's really terrible when it comes to data. So after making that request, while you're holding this, now fold it. Okay, fold it into three foldings, and now use this white rope. Okay, begin to secure it, like you secure it thoroughly. All right, you secure it, you begin to secure it, secure it until all the cover of this what is it called, ogrishi leaf, being covered with white rope, that you are not going to see any green thing. You are going to be seeing only white. Okay, white like this. Okay, white rope that you use in covering it. So after you must have done that, now take this thing up. Okay, assume you have covered it, not like this, so because this is a video, I'm just giving you an illustration. After you have covered it, guys, now hold it on your right hand, begin to face west, north, and south, and east, and make the same prayer regarding your life, how you want you, in fact, you want to know what the future holds for you. You want to know what had happened in your life, what had caused you to be in that condition. You want to know what your great-grandfather did, or what they did wrong that affected the whole family and all that. So you make that prayer facing west, north, and south, and after making that prayer at night, when you want to sleep, put it under your bed. Put it under your pillow, under your pillow. And that pillow that you're using, another person should not use it. All right, put it there for like 3 days. Do not remove it inside your pillow. Put it there for 3 days. When you wake up from the sleep, take the pillow out, in order for you to avoid anybody sleeping on the same pillow, at least for 3 days. guys, this will open your eyes. Your history, your family history will come up. It will come up to you. What you did not know will come up to you. What they have done in the past that's not for you will come up to you. What future holds for you will come up to you. What affected your life in a negative way will now appear to you, and you will know like it's going to be like a clear television to you. And after that, you can remove it and then do what? Dispose it. And that's it. It is very powerful method that no one has ever taught, and they will never teach you because it's a very big secret. So guys, that is it. Do this recipe and then get me your feedback at the comment section. This has been working. If I want to know anything about my family, maybe something that I will just go straight and do this, and PM, it will just appear to me and I will see everything. So guys, before I go off, I have a market to sell. I know that a lot of people don't like me advertising here, but this is my means of what? Getting cash, like getting small money to subscribe and to upload videos that you are watching. So I have my cash out powder for those who are into online business. You have online business, you want to be cashing out every day, get this product, and I'll tell you how you're going to use it, and you will never lack any day. What I mean lack, you're not going to lack anything again. It's for online business. Online. So guys, that's just the end of this video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, after watching this video, leave your comment at the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.